Hi, I'm Jordan. Welcome to the Blade 150FX Quick Start video. I've got 4 AA batteries installed in the transmitter. Let's get to charging this 2-cell LiPo. A USB power supply will be required. Now let's install the included 2-cell LiPo battery. We'll start by powering the transmitter. Now we can install the battery into the helicopter. This helicopter's battery hatch is a little unique. It has a little lock on the bottom. We just twist that lock, and that'll allow us to open up the battery hatch, just like that. We can slide the battery in. There's a strip of hook tape already on the bottom of the battery, and we'll just put that right on top of the hook and loop tape that's already installed in the heli. Now that'll hold it in there pretty well, but we'll also go ahead and tighten that strap on top to make sure that battery's not going anywhere. Now we can plug in the battery to the helicopter. It just slides in just like this. There we go. Close the hatch. Now we'll flip the calibration switch on the top of the heli to the green position. And this will put the helicopter into calibration mode. Calibration will take about 10 seconds and is complete when the flashing LED on top goes solid. With the solid blue light on, we are ready to fly. The left stick on the transmitter controls the throttle. The higher we raise that stick, the faster the blades spin. Move that same stick left and right controls the yaw of the helicopter, causing it to turn. The right stick, moving up and down, will control the pitch of the heli, moving it forward and backwards. Moving the right stick left and right controls the roll of the helicopter, letting it drift from side to side. The switch up here on the right is the throttle cut switch. We will leave that in the red position until we are ready for takeoff to ensure the blades won't spin up. This heli is best flown outdoors on a calm day or indoors in a large, wide open space with no obstacles. When ready to fly, ensure the throttle stick is all the way down and flip the throttle cut switch to the green position. The motor will start to spin up at a low idle and respond to throttle commands. To land, slowly decrease the throttle while in a low-level hover until the aircraft touches down. If you find that the Blade 150FX is drifting in flight, micro adjustments can be made to the gimbal sticks with the trim tabs. Give the trim tab a click or two in the opposite direction that the aircraft is drifting, and it will counteract that drift. You will hear a beep when you click them. To find the center point, you'll have to listen for the long beep. These trim tabs will likely not need to be adjusted in flight, as the helicopter's calibration feature assures that it will fly smooth and level. If the helicopter has crashed, or if you feel a crash is imminent, be sure to flip the throttle cut position to the red position. This will stop the blades from spinning and help prevent any further damage. When finished flying, first unplug the battery from the helicopter and power down the transmitter. When the transmitter's AA batteries are getting low, the blue light in the center will flash and it will emit an audible tone. At this time, we know it's time to change the batteries. When swapping out AA's, always use a fresh set of batteries. If a crash has occurred, be sure to inspect the helicopter for any damages. If the helicopter blades are damaged, or if the rotor blades are damaged, they can be replaced with the included replacement blades. We can use the included Allen wrench to remove the blades. Now that you know what to expect, it's time to have a blast with your Blade 150FX. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.